The Pacific black duck is one of the most common ducks in Australia, and it is praised for its exceptional versatility. The species is monomorphic, leaving it almost impossible to differentiate between the adult sexes. The ducks forage for food by engaging in dabbling, grazing, and bobbing behaviour. Dabbling involves the ducks submerging their head under the water with the position of its rear vertical to the water and grazing on the aquatic plants beneath them. This allows the food sources to be adequately reached to ensure that the species can feed. The adults of this species are herbivorous, eating the seeds from these plants. However, they may also feed on small crustaceans, insects, and mollusks. The ducks have a highly advanced filtering system in their beaks to retain the food, whilst removing the water, which is facilitated by the lamellae plates inside the beak. The male ducks engage in aggressive behaviour, which may be facilitated by elevated testosterone. They raise their body out of the water and vigorously flap their wings, and may sometimes even chase other males. This may be to signify dominance over specific territories, which may favour their accessibility to greater food resources. This may also increase their male hierarchy to have greater access to female mates. Wing flapping also has significance in courtship behaviour, as the dominant male opens his wings to uncover the white surfaces beneath them, enticing the females to choose them to mate.
Preening behaviour is also utilised by ducks, which involves removing dirt and parasites from their feathers in order to clean themselves. It is further advantageous as the feathers undergo additional waterproofing and insulation maintenance to withstand unpredictable weather conditions, and are saturated in preen oil so they can increase their strength. Aerodynamically, the feathers can be aligned by this behaviour to increase efficiency in flight. Preening is significant in courtship as grooming increases the likelihood that they will be chosen to mate, as they are more appealing with a healthier facade. Mates can be further bonded by allopreening, which involves males and females mutually preening each other to communicate their connection. In the south, the species breed from June to January, while in the north they breed January to April. Females lay 8 to 12 eggs, which are incubated and raised by the female alone, which has high energetic costs. However, approximately 80% of the offspring do not survive past 2 years of age. As you can see, these courtship, aggression, and foraging behaviours are predominantly used amongst the species, and will increasingly become more frequent as the mating season approaches.